Well, hello there. This is at least this number is a number you haven't really seen very much. I'm excited about this. I've been waiting to get these for like a week and a half now. I ordered them like the day Yeezy Day was, and it just now came in on like Tuesday, August 12th or whatever today is. So I've been waiting a while. I think the wait was worth it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm sure you guys can narrow this down to a couple different colors just because there's only so many silhouettes of the 500 already out. This is one I've wanted for quite a while actually. And it's funny that I say that because I already sold them on StockX, but we'll see if they even go through authentication, and I'll show you guys why I say that here in a second. Yeah, I was able to get the Yeezy 500 Utility Blacks. I think this is a clean shoe, clean silhouette, especially this one. It goes with so much stuff. Like, black is just so easy to rock with so many different colors, red, white, you know, even like pink. I mean, you know, it's just so easy to rock these. You know, there's just so many ways you can style these, and that's why I really, really like these. Missed out on the initial drop when they came out in last year, like July of last year, July or August. Kind of upset about that, but I was able to get them in hand this time, so I'm glad I can show you guys this video. But like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to pass StockX authentication because they sent me a flawed pair and a beat up box. And I'll show you what I mean. Hopefully you guys can see this. Right there, you see that? That's a flaw in the shoe right there. It's like it's either glue or it's like it got messed up, like somebody cut it or something, but there's something a little jacked up right there, which is kind of upsetting because I'm hoping they're not like, ew, what's this? No StockX authentication. Here's $13 charge to ship your shoes back to you. It's like, thanks StockX. I can't control that. So that sucks. I mean, it's not like the biggest flaw I've ever seen. Once you have these on foot, I'm sure you wouldn't even be able to tell, to be honest, but I know how they are. But they are hit and miss, I've heard. So we'll see. I don't know. I guess let's check the other shoe to make sure it's not fucked up too. No, this one seems good. So, I don't know. Hopefully that's not the biggest deal to them. Because that would suck to have to pay the $13 to get these shipped back to me. I guess we'll see. I might make an update video letting you guys know, like, oh, hey, I got them back. I'm actually going to keep them. Here's an outfit idea video or something. We'll see. Man, this suede is crazy on this. I can just, like, I can just rub it and I can see it, like, getting smooth. That's crazy. But yeah. So, don't know if that's going to pass authentication. Hopefully it does, because it's not the biggest flaw ever. I know that sounds bad for me saying that, but, like, if I got this shoe, I would not mind. Like, it's literally such a small thing. When you're wearing these, no one's going to be able to see that unless they're sitting there staring, like, oh, is these real? Oh, there's something wrong right there. You know what I mean? It's not the biggest deal. I think it can pass. I think the biggest issue, though, was the box that I got for these shoes. So this is kind of going to be like a unboxing rant video, I guess, is what this is going to turn into. This part's fine, I believe. Yeah, this part seems, well, kind of. I don't think that part matters as much because it's literally inside the box, so unless you're actually, like, looking inside the box, you won't be able to tell that's messed up. So I don't think that's that big of a deal. The big deal is right here. I think you guys can see that tape, and then you can see the box is, like, actually coming off of, like, the glue. Like, this whole thing is supposed to be glued down, I believe. I'm almost positive. Let me grab a 350 box real quick and see. Yeah, so right here, as you can see, it's tape right there coming up on a normal box. It is supposed to be, that, like a bad example because it's kind of jacked up, but like, it's supposed to be glued down so that it can't move. So you're supposed to have like kind of like a good stable box all the way around. this, I pick it up and I can just feel that, like, this part's coming off. This whole top section. Which is sad, because they might be like, oh, this is not a flawless box, so we can't take this. And it's like, I didn't even do this tape. This tape was literally here when I got these shoes. So, like, anybody from StockX doing the authentication on my shoes, I promise, I did not do that. That's how that box came. Once again, if you're displaying these, you can't really tell, especially if you set, I mean, literally if you set it on the side, you literally would not be able to tell at all. So I'm hoping they don't screw me on that either, because that would fucking suck as well. But yeah, let's get back to the shoes, I guess. Overall, I really like these. I know a lot of people are kind of like hit and miss on the 500s. I really like the 500s. I think they have a unique style. This is my favorite colorway of the 500s by far is these. There is that bone white coming out. It's like a light pinkish kind of color. I think those could be kind of cool. They would get dirty as fuck so fast, though. It's ridiculous. So it's kind of one of those things where it's up to you if you want to rock some black ones or not. But yeah, paid $214 for these with taxes. The free shipping option, sold them for $321, so I made a good profit on these. Like I said, we'll see if they actually go through authentication though. If not, I might try GOAT to see if I can just sell them new with defects, get the same price I have on StockX right now. If not, I might just keep these, because like I said, these are a pair of 500s I do not mind. The blushes and the super moons, I'm kind of like bleh, you know. I like the salts because they're like they're white but they're blue, so they're, you know, they don't get as dirty as fast. But these are definitely the cleanest of the 500s in my opinion. I think these just go with so much stuff, and I've seen so many people wear these, and I'm like, wow, I really want those. And then I got them, and then I'm like, wow, I'm out of money. I need to sell these right away, and I do. And then the fucking shoes have defects, and the box is fucked up. So we'll see how this goes. If there's on foot for these, there will be a towel underneath. As you guys know, with videos I make where I'm not sure if I'm going to sell the shoes or not, I might not do that though, just because I already sold these technically, so that might not be the best idea to wear them and possibly come up even more. But yeah, that was my pickups for the Yeezy Day 2019. I was happy. Like I said, I just wish I had money so I didn't have to sell these, because I would absolutely rock these like every day. These are sick. That's it for today's video though. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing my little rant about Yeezy Supply sending me some messed up shoes and box. If you feel my pain, if you want to share in the emotional burden of this with me, let's go for like 5 likes, because I feel like 5 likes means we can actually pass authentication at StockX. That'd be great. Comment, have you bought stuff from Yeezy Supply? Has it come kind of jacked up? Let me know. Also, do you like the 500s, or do you think they're kind of like the worst Yeezy silhouette? Let me know in the comment section below. I love reading you guys' comments and replying to them, because I like getting conversations started. And subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on everything I do upload. I have been looking at my metrics a lot lately, and I have noticed that a lot of you guys aren't subscribed. If you want to stay up to date on stuff like this and hear more stuff and, you know, that kind of goodie when I actually upload every so often, go ahead and subscribe. I really do appreciate that. I would like to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year. That'd be sick. Sicko mode. I'm trying to beat my mom. She's beating me right now, and that's not cool. We gotta win, guys. We have to win. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, until next time, guys, peace out.